Disney World's experimental prototype community of tomorrow, otherwise known as EPCOT Center, is set to celebrate its 40th anniversary on October 1st, 2022. To commemorate the day, D23 is hosting an exclusive ticketed event at EPCOT Center for D23 Gold members for a cost of $106. A chance to purchase up to 2 tickets per D23 Gold member account opens at 1 p.m. on September 21st. And if this is anything like past events, tickets will sell out almost instantaneously. Let's see if we're going to be some of the lucky few that score a ticket. I have 2 computers open. One is logged into Teia's account, one is logged into my account. All right, I've changed my shirt. Figment and Mickey are ready right here. I got Figment ready right here. We're ready to celebrate the 40th anniversary. It's 12 p.m. Registration doesn't open till 1, but sometimes they open up the virtual queue a little early. So I'm gonna be sitting here refreshing my screen on both computers until we see the screen change and registration open. It's right at 12:30 and I'm refreshing my screen. Refresh on my other computer, and we're hoping that we're eventually going to see something pop up about right here, and it's going to take us into the virtual queue, and then we can just sit and wait a little bit more comfortably. But as we know from Disney's past virtual queues, if Run Disney is any indication of how they're going to do this, it doesn't really matter what order you went in. It's kind of a lottery. You get assigned a number behind the scenes, and then that's when you get in. It's 12:40 p.m. We've got 20 minutes remaining. Let's hit refresh on this screen. Nothing yet. We'll check back in a few minutes. All right, it's officially 12:50. We have 10 minutes to wait. We're at a race to the finish now. I'm going to be hitting refresh. You can hear me hitting it. You can see me hitting it until something changes. Like, I'm getting nervous. I really should not have had like 3 cups of coffee before we started this, because right now my heart is going. Refresh, refresh, still nothing. What I'm also doing is about every couple of minutes or so is I'm going in and making sure that I'm still logged into my D23 account, because I'm not sure how much of a role that's going to play in this. It might make me log in whenever I click the actual buy tickets, or I might just put in my membership number. I'm not sure, but I'm trying to make sure that I'm logged in on both of these computers consistently until this happens. Refreshing, refreshing, still nothing. It is officially 12:55. We have 5 minutes to go. Refreshing the screen on both devices, and still no change, because their clocks are probably not completely synchronized with my clock. Mine says 12:56 currently. Once we hit about 12:58, I'm going to be hitting refresh constantly until this thing flips over. You're going to get a kick out of what you see on the screen here. It is 12:58. 2 minutes to go. Maybe on their system it's a little less. Maybe it's a little more. I'm going to go ahead and start hitting refresh constantly, and hopefully something is going to happen. I'm getting so nervous. Like, my heart is starting to beat so hard right now. This is about how I felt when we were doing Destination D23 last year. It's 12:59. We have less than 1 minute. If I had time to take my pulse right now, it would probably be like a jackrabbit. It's officially 1 o'clock according to my clock. I'm going to keep hitting refresh. There it is. Okay, get tickets. Getting tickets. I got to select 2 tickets. There we go. Yes. Print it home. No, check out. New. Agree. That's complete order. We got it. We got it. We got it. I don't know if that's because not a lot of people did their thing, or if we were lucky and we got in because I was refreshing, because I got the chance here on both screens. I'm going to see what happens on Teia's right now. It's sold out. Look at this. Sold out. We got ours. I waited 1 extra minute on Teia's computer and it's sold out. Can you see how much my hand is shaking? We got it. Oh my God, we actually got it. Okay, now I have to text Teia and let her know that we're good. We've successfully bought our tickets for the D23 EPCOT's 40th event on October 1st. Whew. My heart's beating, my hands are shaking, and it sold out right after I finished. We're all excited. Are you going to the D23 EPCOT's 40th anniversary event on October 1st? Put it in the comments below. Let us know your experience with signing up. Are you excited? Are you excited to see what's going to happen for the 40th anniversary? Are you just excited for this event because you get to take advantage of your D23 Gold membership? We're excited to see you guys there on October 1st, but until then, remember, no capes.